India's Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari told Tesla not to sell made in China electric cars in India. Well, in return, what Elon Musk said was a reality. So in this video, we will analyze the conversation between Indian government and Tesla, and we will try to understand how both are close to India's ground reality. Hello friends, I'm Sakir Dongre, founder and CEO of SkillDX, author of The Story of a Failure, welcomes you to my channel, and let's start the video. On 8th October, in India Today's Conclave 2021, India's Road Transport and Highway Minister Nitin Gadkari said that he told Tesla not to sell made in China electric cars in India, and he also urged Elon Musk to have Tesla's manufacturing unit in India and export the electric cars from India's manufacturing unit. He also added, government is ready to provide whatever support Tesla needs for starting manufacturing unit in India. Well, if that happens, it will be great news to India cause it will increase employment and maybe the car will be cheaper. Well, Nitin Gadkari said that the Tesla car will be affordable around 35 lakhs. Well, I don't know, 35 lakhs is really the most affordable price or only for a particular segment only. Well, now let's dig out what Elon Musk had said. In 2019, Musk tweeted that he was told that import duties are extremely high, up to 100% in India, even for the electric cars. So that would make the Tesla cars unaffordable. Well, that's really true, and that's the fact. The import duties, the custom duties are very high in India. That's why if we manufacture their cars in India, so obviously Tesla's car price will be down. Ideally, we will assume that entire car is manufactured in India. But what about lithium-ion batteries? India don't manufacture them. They are all imported, and in EV, the major cost is of the battery. Interestingly, Indian lithium-ion assembly vendors import lithium ions from China. We are dependent on China for batteries, no matter the entire car is manufactured in India. In one of my video, I have shared an Excel sheet where you can calculate battery pack required for a particular range along with its cost. If you want Tesla should provide say at least 300 km range, then from the Excel sheet calculate what will be the cost of the battery pack. If you want Tesla should provide a range of say at least 300 km, then from the Excel sheet calculate the battery pack cost required for that car to give that amount of range. Also add the cost of the manufacturing of this car plus 18% GST, RTO and insurance. Then you will get the car actual cost, and then compare that cost with the Nitin Gadkari said, that is the Tesla car will be affordable as 35 lakhs, and then compare and let us know in the comment section whether it will be equal to 35 lakh, more than 35 lakh or less than 35 lakh. Well, I forgot to add the cost of auxiliary battery pack. So this auxiliary battery pack will be providing power to the ACs and all other elements which is in the car except the powertrain. If you don't know anything about primary and auxiliary battery pack, then I suggest you to go and take the complete battery technology course from SkillDX and learn everything about battery technology. Well, again, there is one more question in my mind. From 100% Indian population, how much percentage Indian can afford car worth of 35 lakhs? We already know the companies like General Motors, Harley Davidson and Ford Motors has shut down their plants in India due to huge losses. So what do you think? Will Tesla manage to generate profit if they sell car in 35 lakh? Let me know in the comment section. But what I think is, Tesla already has competitor like Tata Nexon EV, Tata Tigor EV, MG EV, which are I guess range from 12 lakhs to 25 lakhs. So already Tesla have a huge competition in economic passenger cars and leading manufacturer Maruti Suzuki. On the other hand, we have luxury cars, that is Mercedes-Benz EQ and Audi e-tron. So what I think is, Tesla will struggle in India, but I will be happy to see how Tesla managed to sell cars if they remain profitable. Another challenge, which is a big challenge for Tesla, not only Tesla, for all the EV manufacturers, that is the charging infrastructure. India don't have that charging infrastructure ready yet. It's still in the development condition. Well, if you consider the case of US and if you try to implement that US charging technology in India, then calculate or try to assume what will be the charging cost. Already right now we are facing coal crisis and electricity deficit as well. So just imagine if the electric vehicle grabs at least 30% of Indian automotive market share, will the grid able to handle the charging load? Let me know what you think about it in the comment section. So guys, almost of the points I have shared with you. Now you tell me what the Nitin Gadkari said and what Elon Musk said. So both of their point of view is really to the ground reality of India. Yes or no, whatever it may be, please let me know in the comment section. I hope you found this video informative, supporting me by subscribing to my channel, liking the video and share among your friends. So in the next video.